Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing a subtitle workflow that fits your time and budget. Pick an editor or cloud service. Once chosen, load your video into a new project and set frame rate and resolution so timings match. Next, add the transcript. Paste an automated SDT output or your manual text so you don't type over video. Make sure to save a backup project version before you start placing captions. This prevents lost work and lets you revert easily. Now you align lines to the audio, scrub the waveform and set in /out points so each subtitle appears with natural speech. While doing this, split long sentences into 1-2 short lines to keep reading comfortable and adjust durations for average reading speed. Make sure to watch speaker overlaps and insert separate caption entries when speakers change. Once done, apply consistent timings across repeats and check line breaks. Small timing tweaks make a big difference in readability. Finish by exporting the subtitles in the format you need. Soft captions like SRT for uploads or permanently burned-in captions for platforms that lack caption support. Then test playback on desktop and mobile players to verify sync, line breaks, and character encoding. If timing drifts or characters garble, make one corrective pass. Realign affected cues, re-export with UTF-8, or reprocess the audio for clearer SDT. A quick fix: shift a problematic block by a few.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.